Just finished week 44 of the trading challenge, trading from $100 to $1 million. We're currently at 229-ish thousand, which is only $160 loss from last week. I didn't take any trades, literally nothing happening in this market really. There's very few trades to be taken right now. So I'm not going to force a trade and just doing, nothing and waiting. But we can go over our portfolio, right? So same as last week, legit haven't done anything at all. Hold in Mog, got 214 grand in that. Basis for everyone, 10 grand. And then Zeus, and that's 2.3k. And then I just hold a little bit of Pulse Chain and Ethereum, and they're for new launches, right? So yeah, let's go with Mog first. Mog is at 100 or 596 market cap right now, million. And it came down to this lower support level at like 530 mil, which was a possibility, but I thought it was going to hold at like 570 or some shit. But we came a little bit lower. It's looking good now. So hopefully we can go up from this area. It is only a 30% dip, which is usually what Mog does on a dip. So there's a likelihood that we pump from here, right? But yeah, Mog looks good overall, and so does like pretty much everything. Then you have, what's my next one? Basis for everyone. This one, I think it's going to pump pretty soon, right? So I'm thinking that Basis for everyone's going to pump pretty soon because Zora is mooning. So Zora is the platform that Basis for everyone was launched from by Base themselves. So if you go onto Zora, you can see legit Basis for everyone is the #1 post, which is like the highest coin or like whatever from this platform. And usually like the top coin from a platform does pretty well, and that's Basis for everyone. So yeah, if this thing can moon, it's going to go all-time highs, and then obviously we'll make it about 50 grand on that. Next up we have Zeus. This one's doing absolutely terribly, right? This thing's just going down, down, down every single day since I bought. I mean, if it doesn't pump from here, like I don't really see this, like I've lost a lot of conviction in this coin. I'll probably sell an exit pump unless it looks good. But yeah, that's Zeus. It's like looking shit. We've only got 2 grand in that now, I think. 2.3k. This was 8 grand, so I'm down like 6k on Zeus. But yeah, that's all my holdings. Other than that, we have Bitcoin. Bitcoin's holding up very nice at the top at 117k right now. Making a little doji, and that's pretty good because it came down like a hammer, and then you got a little doji. Usually means reversal, and it's just gonna go boop boop and then back up. So yeah, not expecting any downside on Bitcoin. We can fuck around up here, but overall it's bullish. Same for Ethereum. I mean, we could come down, worst case in my opinion, to like 3,300. I don't even think it's going to do that. I think we can hold up and go around these 4k areas, and like, overall I'm fucking bullish as fuck. On the chart wise, I think we're like in this kind of area, or like, somewhere in this bit where you're kind of legit about to break the all-time highs in the next coming like month or so, maybe 6 weeks, we'll be in the all-time high area. And then obviously you have your bull run straight after. Like this is where your shit goes crazy, right? And it just kind of fucks around at all-time high and then bang. And that's where I'm pretty sure we're at, like in this kind of zone. And then obviously I'm expecting a run, fuck around by here and then bang, wherever we get to. You could hit this resistance right here, like we have a point here, here, and here. And then you have your rejection there. So you could just come up to this, and that would be your cycle top at like 9k. That's very possible. I'm not even going to try and predict that shit. We'll see where it gets to, and we'll look at what the chart's like then, and we'll see, when it's topped out. But that's one resistance level that's going to be very strong at like 9k probably, 8k. But yeah, dominance is absolutely dropping. Like, it dropped very hard last week. It's holding up this week, but overall very fucking bearish on this chart. So yeah, I'm expecting obviously something like I've drew. But yeah, that's pretty much it for dominance. So there's not really much to cover after that. You have total 3. That shit came right up to pretty much the all-time high, and it's chilling right now. But this chart's very bullish overall. Like, that is a huge cup and handle, and you have your cup, and then you got your handle here, and it's most likely going to do a big move up in the next, this year. By the end of the year, it should be like 2 trillion plus. So yeah, very bullish on the markets right now, and hopefully we can get things like pulse chain pumping as well, even though it's just very slow grinding right now. But yeah, overall, whole market is stupidly bullish, and we're sat at 228 grand right now, or 229, whatever. And yeah, that's pretty much all. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next week.